Walker Bueller. All right, that's nice. Hey there, y'all. Bunkle here. Hope you've been having a great day. Hope every day is a blessed day for you and y'all. So I got here this box. Now, I actually picked this up on the eBays a while ago, a couple months ago, okay? It was about $75, I think, to get these. And there's reasons. I'd never seen these before. And the prices, yeah, $75, but it's a whole bunch of cards. And these are, I would consider, an entire set of super short prints. Something that I don't know if any of y'all have seen before. I didn't even know they existed until I saw them listed. I was like, now what's this? What are they talking about? These are, well, mostly, because there's also something else that's pretty cool in here. And I'll post the price sometime during this. Again, it's somewhere around $75, $76. I paid all in with shipping and everything. But these are 2021 Topps Employee Edition baseball cards. Now, Topps, what they do is for all of their employees, they basically print up a set of cards for their employees. Yeah, that's why it's called Topps Employees cards. And it's got a special mark on it, so it's known. Now, Topps is a big company, or was a big company anyway, and but that didn't mean they had a lot of employees. If I'm not mistaken, it was somewhere between like 400 and 450. So from these, there's only between 400 and 450 of these cards that exist. So in my mind, that's kind of super short print of any one of these cards. And you don't find too many of these available. Now, the way that they had these on the eBays is they had it broken down by team. And let's get these out of here, and I'll give you a look-see through maybe some or a bunch of the teams. I don't know, but there's a whole bunch of these. Now, I've seen these on the eBays, especially individual cards, for anywhere between like $50 and $100 each. So who knows? I mean, I don't know if anybody's bought them. I didn't check sold, because not too much, I guess, is known about them. But yeah, there's a whole stack, and I like that they gave them all in these one touches. Now, in the advertisement, or in the listing details, they said that ones that they sent off all got 9s or 10s, which kind of makes sense coming from a boxed set and employee edition. Oh, and that's a special one. I'm going to keep that one on the side for last. That's something else that was part of this that I just thought it was a cool pickup. So I'm going to put this on the side. Now, these were all team packs, and some of them might have had 5 or 10. Some of them might have had 12 or 15 or whatever. The seller probably took out the better cards from these, or the ones that they thought were better cards. But they may have left some great stuff in. I haven't gone through them. I haven't looked. I just know they're team packs. So this is what one looks like. Now you can see it's got employee edition and a nice gold stamp there. And otherwise, the cards look very, very sharp. Now, one thing I'll say is they put them in one touches, but there's no frapper, no penny sleeve. So I hope none of them got scratched up. But yeah, it's got that, it's not a gold stamp, it's a Topps Employee silver stamp on them. Now, these are St. Louis Cardinals. Let's see. The writing is really, really little there. I don't know if my glasses are dirty. I just can't see through this. But that could be. I'm going to have to flip them over and see who I got there. Even the backs are kind of weird. I don't like the 2021 set. Got Paul DeJong, Coulter Wong. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. Maybe that way. I don't know. Tyler O'Neill, Andrew Miller. I mean, these are the identical cards that come from the 2021 set. All right, we got a rookie card there. Anybody? Somebody. Maybe. And still has time. Again, it's 2021, so that could be pretty cool. That's why I say it. When I look for things on eBay, I don't necessarily look for regular stuff. I'd never seen employee edition cards before. I had no idea. And I do know that somebody was bidding on some of the other teams. So it could be that they were just, that the person was just doing like me and trying to get whichever ones they could, maybe for resale value because they were employee edition cards, or maybe because it's, one of them was their favorite team or whatever. But I don't think I got the Yankees. I got the Dodgers there. Got Corey Seager. That's 2020 World Series. David Price. Walker Buehler. All right, that's nice. Why does it feel... Okay, no. Okay, I thought two of them were inside the same top load. Jock Peterson. Yep, too little. AJ Pollock. That's a fish. Mitch White, rookie card. Very nice. Will Smith. So it looks like they may have... Well, Walker Buehler, I'd consider him a great pitcher. And Tony Gonzalo. So it looks like, I could be wrong, but they may have pulled out like the super duper ooper stars to have them graded and keep them for their PC, and just left the other stuff in there, but could be not. All right, we got Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Now this is a bigger stack here. Maybe we'll see something. Yandy Diaz. Mike Zunino. Willie Adames. Ryan Yarbrough. Joey Wendell. Brandon McKay. Hunter Renfroe. Kevin Kiermaier. Shane McClanahan, okay. I know his name, and that's a rookie card. That's nice. That's very nice. Mike Rousseau. Future Stars. Randy Arozarena. Very nice. Very cool one there. Brett Phillips. He's the airplane. Human airplane. Look, he's about to fly, Mom. Blake Snell. 2-time Cy Young Award winner. And, yeah, not doing all that good. He maybe should have, well, who knows, but he probably should have, like, gone to a training camp or something like that before the season. But he was, contract negotiating and Scott Borising and all of that other stuff. So kind of messed up his season, I'd say. I mean, he said it also that, he needed spring training and he didn't get it. So, I mean, it's pretty bad to have a down year because your contract negotiations went bad. I mean, got to wonder if it was a collusion thing against Scotty Boras or not. I could see that happening. Stranger things have happened. I mean, well, what's going on with Trevor Bauer in particular, I'd say, is absolute collusion. Okay, we got Mike Tauchman, Zach Britton, Luke Voigt. All right, we got ourselves a possible, probable, who knows, maybe Hall of Famer there in Garrett Cole. I mean, let's see how he comes back from his injury. DJ LeMahieu, very nice. My Yankees here represented. Gio Urshela, Miguel Andujar, Clint Frazier, Gary Sanchez, Aroldis Chapman, Estevan Florial, DJ LeMahieu, Corey Kluber. Oh, Corey Kluber. Okay. Yep. Brett Gardner, Jordan Montgomery, Luke Voigt again. Now, it's weird because there's multiples. Okay, that's a league leaders card as opposed to the other Luke Voigt. Okay, that makes sense. Now, Luke Voigt, if I'm not mistaken, is also in the Mexican League, the same place that that Trevor Bauer is in right now. Got James Paxton and Clark Schmidt. So, yeah, no judgy there, but kind of makes sense. Again, with the price that was paid for these, first of all, that you get any of these at the price that I paid, I'm very surprised. All right, these are the Giants. Then we got the Metsies. Let's see if Pete Alonso's in here. Maybe. Garrett Cole was in the other one. All right, we got Steven Matz, Brandon Nimmo, J.D. Davis, James McCann. Marcus Stroman, well, he's not having a bad year with my Yanks. Betances, he started off with my Yanks. Dominic Smith. Carlos Carrasco. Seth Lord, I think. Wilson Ramos. Edwin Diaz. Jeff McNeil. Jose Martinez. And nope, so no Pete Alonso. Again, that kind of makes sense. I mean, the previous owner, the seller of these, probably took out most of the good stuff. Well, Verlander there. That's pretty interesting. That's nice. Jason Castro. This is all for the Houston Astros fans. Ryan Presley. Framber Valdez. Paredes. And Kyle Tucker. All right. Now, everybody knows Kyle Tucker now. That's a nice one. That's something to savor about. You gotta wonder if I'm gonna maybe get that one graded and hold on to it, because you don't see too many employee edition cards, so that's pretty cool. Okay, now these are the Phillies. Should I go through the Phillies or the Reds, or who else? Let's go through the Red Sox. Yeah, I said Red Sox. That was intentional. I didn't mispronunciate that. Okay, we got Andrew Benedetti. Verdugo, very nice. He's having a great year with my Yanks. I was hoping for him there. That's nice. Eovaldi. Michael Chavis. Jackie Bradley Jr. Rafael Devers, nice, very nice. Matt Barnes. He looks like he's going to strain all his neck muscles there, Mr. Tannehook. Xander Bogaerts, very nice, very cool. Christian Vasquez. Chris Sale, all right, that's great. Christian Arroyo. And J.D. Martinez. So not too shabby. I mean, not all the great players from all these teams in 2021. But you know what? Enough of them that, yeah, you know what? I'm satisfied, I think. And look, got the Cincinnati Reds team card there. I'm not going to... Oh, wait, no. These are just team cards. Oh, that's interesting. We got the Reds. We got the Royals. We got the Cardinals. We got the Giants. The Phillies. The Cubbies. Nice. The Indians. See, Cleveland Indians. That's before they went through that whole mangling of their name where they misspell it Guardians now. The Mariners. The Blue Jays. Vladdy Guerrero Jr. looking all happy there. Boston Red Sox. The A's. And the Astros. Oh, somebody's about to get that bucket of water. Very cool. Now, again, this was... These I like. I may end up keeping a couple of these for my personal collection because, again, how often do you see like gradable? Because I'd say that these definitely look sharp, although I wish they would have been in penny sleeves instead inside these one touches. Some of them may end up getting scratched up. But again, how often do you see Topps Employee Edition baseball cards? That's pretty cool. Now, the last thing that's in this box I'm going to share with you, it's a graded card. Look, there's a PSA thing there. Now, this isn't something that I would normally go for, but because they had combined shipping, I figured, why not? Pretty cool. It's a checklist. Hello, checklist. Look, it's an unmarked Empire Strikes Back checklist in a PSA 8 condition, so sharp condition. Checklist card from 1980 Star Wars checklist. I got the checklist. Everybody's got to celebrate the checklist from The Empire Strikes Back. So, definitely a fun card. I think individually that one was, I don't know, $4 or $5 out of this $70-something purchase, all shipping all in. So, in my mind, not bad, especially since I'm probably going to be looking to flip a couple of those cards, maybe get a couple of them graded and flip out. I'll go through them a bit better later, especially the Verlander or the Chris Sale or the Vladdy, any of those I might go through and, you know what, submit it. And if I get back a 9 or 10, it might be easier to flip and end up keeping a couple of the Yankees for myself. Anyway, let me know what y'all thought. And if you're interested in any of these cards, reach out. Maybe we can make a deal on a couple of them. I'd be open to that also, even before getting them graded. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, again, these were 2021 Topps Employee Edition baseball cards. Anyway, y'all take care. Stay well. Stay blessed. Bunkle out.